Hey everyone, so I got a package today from Moto Camp Nerd, and I figured I'd do kind of an unboxing and show you guys what I got. Ben from over at Moto Camp Nerd sent me some stuff to test out. If you guys haven't seen their website, if you haven't been over there yet, make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link down below. He's got a very well curated selection of motorcycle specific camping equipment. He's definitely done a good job of putting together gear that is specifically good for motorcycle camping. This particular package I have is mostly kitchen equipment, so we're going to jump in and see what I got in this box. All right, let's see here. We got a mug. Moto Camp Nerd logo on it. That's pretty cool. Got this stove from Primus, the Express Spider lightweight gas stove. Pretty excited about this. I'm getting away from the jet boil and getting into more detailed cooking. Got some Cedar Summit fork, spoon, knife setup. That's pretty sweet. Cedar Summit plate. I like these this X-Pot series stuff. These are really cool, lightweight and great for motorcycle camping. Got some Wilderness Wash pocket soap. That's pretty cool. Sweet. Got this Alpha pot from Cedar Summit. Frying pan, pretty sweet. This is the Alpha Pan 8-inch. It's hard anodized aluminum, lightweight alloy pan with ergonomic silicone grip, stainless steel handle, pretty sweet. That'll go good with the stove. Another cup, this is the X mug. High side medium roast coffee. Definitely going to enjoy that. Got some stickers. Pretty sweet. I'll be putting those to good use. And got this cook set from Cedar Summit, the Alpha Set 2.2. Pretty cool. I'm gonna actually open this up because I want to see what's in here. Okay, so we got a big pot. Inside we have bowl, a smaller pot, and that looks like it. There's a kitchen towel in here too, dish rag. So that's it. That's all the stuff I got. Again, huge shout out to Moto Camp Nerd. Definitely go check out their website. They got some really cool stuff there. I'm definitely looking forward to putting this stuff to the test and see how it holds up. I'll definitely be doing reviews on most of this stuff in the not too distant future. So anyways, that's it for today. Just a quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will catch you in the next one. Ride safe.